Just spotted a rainbow. I turned my controller off.
Stephen J. Reid, never do that with your hands so closely on props.
It's got clips on the side as well, which grip at the side. It's not just a magnet holding it. Some people think it's just a magnet. It's not. It's clipped in as well. So I don't think it's going anywhere unless I crash it, which I'm not going to do. Oh, first FPV flight. Use the DJI Action 2 on a 3-inch quad drone. Ridiculously smooth.
It does look good in that screen though, doesn't it?
Downloading to my phone for a better look at that video, and it's actually transferring. That's a 4-minute video. That's transferring pretty quickly. It looks so much faster. I was not going that fast. This is great. It makes me look like a much more competent pilot. I'll do a quick comparison between the Insta360 Go 2 and the Action 2 flying. That's the same platform. There's a bigger cloud coming. It's coming this way, so we are getting out of dodge. Don't you love flying drones in the autumn and winter? Does that look? Oh no, I believe! Oh, crash! Does that look? Oh no, I believe! Oh, crash! Okay. Thoughts? You fly a lot more than me, so you've seen a lot more drone footage.
I like the way it looks. On the little screen, I'll want to see what it's going to be like on a bigger screen as well, because obviously the smaller screen kind of looks a little bit more sharper. But yeah, that looks really impressive, especially whenever you're flying under stuff, because it gets that feeling that you're flying really close to stuff. So I like that. It's still a lot of money to be putting on the front of a camera, or in front of a drone, sorry.
Yes, that's the thing I'm least comfortable with, is how unprotected this is. It's lovely design, really shiny metal, big glass screen on the front, big glass screen on the back. That will break so easy, so it's definitely one of those things that might be worth either taking out DJI Air Refresh, or or putting it in some kind of TPU mount if you're gonna fly it. Yeah, I'd be interested to know what you think. I know there's all kinds of other questions about this camera, but I just specifically wanted to try to see what it'd be like flying on a 3-inch quad drone.
That's a quad.
So yeah, let it know in the comments what you think about it. Do you think it's worth spending that kind of money? For me, if I can get really good results with it, it is, because it'll have commercial applications and it'll just pay for itself, but that's not going to be true if you're a hobbyist. But yeah, more videos about this camera coming. Go check out Pete's channel, which is
Sonic Tonic 72.
70 Tonic 72, and there we go. That's an entire video shot in like 30 minutes.